Hello, dear customers. Today I would like to show you the radio kit, what goes with the box, and it's important to connect everything to our radio, and everything will be working properly. So what we have radio from backside. Here you should connect the main plug. For example, I have the plug for Toyota. I can connect it over there. So I connected here. If you have the cable with CAN boost, you should put it probably over here. Yeah, this is just a second. This is responsible for CAN boost. Yeah, it gives you accessory and makes your steering wheel working and other things. So okay, you also have the pinout, and you can find the label on each wire and understand what is responsible for ground, accessory, each speaker, front, back, and other things. Okay, great. So what is that for? This is two USB. They should be here. First, you need to connect over here. Second, you will find place for it over here. USB connected straight away to the radio. You may use removable flash memory drive for it. What is that for? The main things, this is for SIM card. This is for microphone, is the most important. This is connect the, if your radio has the same output connected, it's for fun, radio fun. This radio doesn't have it, has it, but other radio can have. And you have outs and in for AUX. Yeah, you can connect any device, even camera, additional camera. It's not about rear camera, it's additional camera, or could be some monitor on the back seats. And this is for amplifier. Sometimes it's necessary to connect a sump amplifier, like subwoofer and other things. Yeah, here is for subwoofer as well. Okay, should be connected over here. But for simple installation, you just need to remember connect this and microphone. Additional microphone, it's over here. We just need to plug in, and that's it. Plug and play. This is additional microphone. What's next? GPS antenna. It allows your radio to find the satellite. Yeah. Otherwise, you won't be able to use radio navigation. You just can use the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto navigation. So I put it here. GPS. Don't mess with 4G. 4G has its own antenna. So what is that for? This is for, as I mentioned before, this is responsible for separate internet. So if you insert the SIM card over here and install this antenna, you will get separate internet. It's really easy. Works like a phone or other device. So you need to screw it here. Yeah. And the most important things is a radio antenna. So I have this one, and you need just connect it over here. Yeah. Okay. So, and that's it actually. Thank you.